Losing my husband changed everything, not just emotionally, but financially too. And at 53 years old, I found myself sitting there wondering, now what? How was I supposed to survive on one income? How was I ever going to retire? How was I supposed to stop stressing over money when the paycheck we depended on was gone suddenly? And maybe you understand that feeling too. Maybe you're exhausted. Maybe you're scared about the future. Maybe you're working hard every single day, but still feel behind. If that is you, I want you to know you are not alone. Because a few years ago, that was exactly me. That's exactly where I was. And I want to share with you my story, how I went from feeling completely overwhelmed and financially stuck to discovering the simple online business model that finally gave me hope again. And if you're a woman in your 50s wondering if you are too late to start over, I promise you it's not. Hey, my friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Andrea. I am a widow, a single mom of two amazing boys, and I've been doing a hairstyling for 19 years in a small community in Ontario, Canada. And for a long time, I truly believed I was just doing life the way it was supposed to be, working constantly, feeling exhausted, stress over bills, hope there's enough money left at the end of the month. But after losing my husband, everything changed. And I realized I couldn't keep living paycheck to paycheck forever. I realized retirement was getting closer, but financially, I was nowhere near ready. And honestly, that realization terrified me. So today I want to share my story openly and honestly because maybe you're sitting where I was, wondering if there's another way. Something people never talk about enough: when you lose your spouse, you don't just lose the person you love, you lose the stability, your security. You lose that part of that future that you had imagined. And suddenly everything feels heavier. The bills, the groceries, the mortgage or your rent, the pressure, the responsibilities. I remember looking at my bank account thinking, how am I supposed to do this alone? And at the same time, I was trying to stay strong for my boys. But inside, I felt so overwhelmed. I was working hard as a stylist, long days, sometimes Saturdays too. And yet I still felt like I couldn't get ahead. I didn't have the retirement savings I thought I'd have at this stage in my life. I had some debt. The cost of living kept going up. And honestly, I started feeling trapped. Maybe you feel like that too. Like no matter how hard you work, there's just never enough breathing room. And one of the hardest parts was realizing time was moving fast. And I kept thinking, I don't want to spend the next 10 to 15 years stressing about money. I want more freedom. I want more peace. I want more time with my family and my friends. I would love to be able to travel someday without feeling guilty about spending money, but I had no idea how to create more income without working even more hours. Now, here's where most people get stuck. We think the only way to make money is to work more hours. And I physically and emotionally couldn't do that anymore. One day I started seeing people talking about online business and digital products. And to be honest, at first I ignored it because I thought, oh, that's for the younger people. I'm not techie. I don't even know how social media works. I don't even know where to begin. And maybe you've said the exact same things to yourself. But eventually, curiosity got the best of me because deep down, I knew something had to change. So I started researching. And what caught my attention was something very simple. People were learning skills online, selling digital products, and creating income from home. What really stood out to me was the flexibility. The idea that I could work a few hours a day instead of trying to pick up more exhausting shifts. And the truth is, I didn't need to get another job. I needed leverage. I needed something that could help me create income without trading every second for a dollar. And that was a completely new mindset for me. I found a program that gave me training, mentorship, and a step by step program. And for the first time in a long time, I felt hope, not because everything magically changed overnight, but because I finally saw a possibility for my future. But let me tell you something honestly. Starting was scary. I was terrified people would judge me. I was worried I'd fail. I was worried I was too old. I worried nobody would listen to me and definitely didn't feel confident on a camera. I remember overthinking everything, my videos, my words, my appearance. Eventually, I realized something important. The woman I wanted to help didn't need me to be perfect, they needed me to be real. And that changed everything because there are so many women out there silently struggling, widows, single moms, women in their 50s, women working hard, but secretly terrified about retirement. And I realized maybe my story could help someone else feel less alone. This next step is really important because this is where most people quit too early. When I first started my online business, I didn't know everything. Honestly, I still learn things all the time, but I stopped waiting to feel fully ready. I started showing up constantly, a video here, a post there, learning little by little. And over time, my confidence started to grow. Not because I became perfect, nobody will ever be, but because I kept going. I started understanding social media. I started learning marketing. I started realizing that ordinary women can absolutely build income online. And one of the biggest mind shifts for me was understanding this. You don't need millions of followers. You don't need fancy equipment. You don't even need to be an expert before you start. You just need to be willingness to learn and keep showing up. I think so many women over 50 believe life is winding down. But honestly, I believe this season can be the beginning because we have life experience. We understand struggle. We know how to connect with people. And the online world needs real people, not fake perfection, real stories, real hope, real solutions. And that's why I'm sharing this series because I want other people to see that starting over is possible. Even after a heartbreak, even after financial stress, even after feeling behind. So if this video connects with you in any way, I'd love for you to subscribe, follow me in this journey. And in the next video, I'm honestly going to break exactly how I started the online business with no experience, no tech, and no big following. Because if I can learn this, I truly believe other women can too. And if nobody has told you that this lately, it is not too late to reinvent yourself. So please follow along and I will put the next video up in the corner. If you don't see it right now, it will be there when I set it up. So just keep an eye out for it. If you subscribe, you will then get the notification. And have an amazing day.